Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan's around the corner. Here's 5 tips to get you prepared for the month of Ramadan. Number 1. Start your day at Fajr. If you have been missing Fajr prayer, get into the habit to wake up early and pray Fajr on time. If you already do that, perhaps you can allocate a day or two where you wake up before Adhan and pray 2 units of prayer. Number 2. Read the Quran. Set a realistic goal for yourself. If you haven't read the Quran in a long time, perhaps you can aim to read 1 page a day. If you don't know how to read, then now is a great opportunity to learn. If you live in Sydney, click the link in the description to learn how to read the Quran in 10 weeks at the UMA. Number 3. Start fasting every Monday and Thursday, or at least one of those days. It will prepare you for any caffeine withdrawals, for the coffee lovers out there, but also it is the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. Number 4. Make a habit to attend at least 1 prayer in the masjid every day. If you do this now, you will set yourself up to attend the Taraweeh prayers in Ramadan, without missing any nights. Number 5. Ramadan is an excellent opportunity for all of us to increase our donations for the sake of Allah. Start giving weekly donations, even if they are small. That way, in Ramadan, you will reap the rewards that are multiplied more than any other time in the year. The overarching tip to prepare for Ramadan is the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he says, "The most beloved actions to Allah are those that are consistent, even if they are little." So, what will you be doing in preparation for Ramadan?